Hello guys, so if you're looking to transfer your Visa gift card balance to your PayPal balance, so if that's the case, welcome to the right place. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply create a PayPal account if you don't have one. Now after doing that, simply click on wallet at the top of the page, then click on link a card at the left hand side of the page, then click on debit card, credit card under link a card manually. Now over there, just simply enter your card number, expiration date, your CVV, then fill in your entire address, then just simply click on link card. Now if you're using Android or iOS device, you can just simply keep on following this particular method. So in Android or iOS, just simply go to wallet, simply click on wallet, then click on the plus icon beside the bank and card. Now after that, click on debit card and credit cards, and after that click on link your card manually. After that, enter your card number, your expiration date, your CVV, and your full address, then click on link card. Now after you've linked your Visa card, now after that what you can do is just simply use the Visa card balance to make any purchases or pay any items. Now in order to transfer the money, what you can do is just simply send the money to a relative and ask them to send it back, or just simply create a new PayPal account. Now, or if you have another PayPal account, so send the Visa gift card amount in your other PayPal account and make sure that other PayPal account is linked with your bank account. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.